In front of me is Huawei Mate X2, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. To access all of your downloaded files on Huawei devices, you don't need to download any special app or use any tricks. That's because Huawei has Files app, this one, that's already on your device. So find it and click on it. Then hit Browse at the bottom in the middle and select Downloads Received Files over here. Then hit Download Manager. And as you can see, all of my downloaded files are over here. Now to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!